Welcome everyone, you're listening to Mike Hamilton, and just looking through the data first of all very quickly. I'm going to keep this video nice and short. Tomorrow we got UK rates which were delayed from last Thursday because of the election. We've got Eurogroup meetings tomorrow, so could see some volatility in both the pound and the euro. Nothing much else, no US data until 3 p.m. Labour market conditions are pretty uninfluential. On Tuesday, UK manufacturing. Wednesday, you've got UK jobs. So it's a really busy week for the UK. What else have we got? Let's talk about Tuesday. We have, again, very little for the US. We're really quiet for the US in the first half of the week. Then we get Chinese industrial production on Wednesday, German GDP on Wednesday, and they're expecting a weak number on, well, certainly lower than the previous period for German GDP. Yeah, Wednesday UK jobs, US, inflation report as well. So Wednesday is going to be a big day for the pound. And then we got US retail sales. So Wednesday's the first decent bit of data we get for the US. Retail sales expected to be flat to weak. Thursday, no UK data. A lot of European countries on holiday, Switzerland, Germany, etc. France, US weekly jobs, and then Friday. Yeah, so it's that middle part of the work. Tuesday, Wednesday is a big period of data. Right, this is the best charts out there at the moment, the DAX. So massive push on the back of that hammer on Thursday. So I would sit tight and look for a move down to 11,000, 11,500. In terms of what this is doing overall, if we look at the weekly, you can see we've got we haven't matched the previous week, and we are still pretty high RSI and stochastics, so just be very careful and just let this market come to you. Any decent longer term signals I will shout. I will be in the Skype room at 12 o'clock, but not looking to do anything in the... Actually, I will open the trading room at 12 o'clock. We'll look at a 12:15 data setup on the pound. Otherwise, I won't be around the rest of Monday, apart from any alerts in the Skype room, and then we'll do Traders Roundtable is going to be on chart patterns, the best chart patterns that are out there. It's done this a few weeks back, but it's well worth a reminder because it's such an important part of trading. Okay, so pound yen. So we had a relief rally on the pound. But look at this resistance, this fib resistance on the weekly. So I'm just going to let this market come to me. I'd love to see 183 on this from that 185. Like I said, Monday and Wednesday are huge days for the pound. Pound Aussie is flat. I believe that alone for now. Euro. This looks as if we are wanting to see 110. We're currently 112. We're hovering around this fib level. We've been come in contact with the weekly 21 EMA, that is. But I'm looking for a retest of the daily 55 and 21 down here at 110. So I will be shorting the euro if I get the chance. And that euro yen is coming off the daily 200. So I think it's had a really sweet move to the upside here. I just think we need a proper pullback to get that moving. And let's put the fibs on that as well. So the fibs on this last move on the euro yen sees decent support at 132, so it's a good 220 points lower, but could very, very easily and much more likely to come down to 130, I think, which is a 422 point drop on that one. So euro yen will be a priority, but I'm just going to let Monday come out of the way with the Eurogroup meetings. Nothing much else to report at the moment. Obviously the Dow's had 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago I think it was, I did a video suggesting that this Dow could pop up here. You know, don't write this Dow off. If we close above 200, then this could march up to 18.5 and who knows, 20,000. So it's a higher close. We've engulfed last week's price action, so that is bullish. But obviously, 18,200 is a massive wall with the main data being core retail sales, I think. Yeah, core retail sales. Okay, the US dollar pairs, I'll just leave. They're just all over the place. US dollar yen is sideways at best. US dollar CAD keeps inching down. It's got a lot of support underneath it, so I'm just leaving them. Gold is flat. That's hard to call at the moment. Higher close up. It's closed on the weekly. Potential stopping bar there, but so congested and very choppy. Oil, I think oil needs to come down to 55. I'm looking for oil to come down and retest 55 on this one. Whenever any instrument gets trapped between 55 and the 200 on the daily, expect chop. At the moment, that's exactly what we're doing on this oil. Alright, I will do an extensive stock review once we get some data out of the way on Monday. So I will open the room at 12 o'clock on Monday. Enjoy what's left of your weekend and see you then.